Snow shovels are pretty inexpensive and snow pushers can be really expensive, like a snowplow snow pusher. But if I told you there is a snow pusher on the market that costs about $30, this is the Vevor 24-inch snow pusher. This thing is pretty good for 30 bucks. It does have a couple of issues, but overall I was really impressed with this snow pusher. It kept up with my other snow pushers with much larger handles, and this does have a nice grip at the top here, which makes it really easy to hold on to when you've got gloves on, because some of them actually come with a really small handle, which just isn't ideal. Down the bottom here you have the pusher part, which is really nice. It is starting to wear away and I've only had to use this 3 or 4 times. I like the 24-inch length on this because you don't want to be a hero and just clear as much snow as possible in as few passes as possible. So having a 24-inch clearing ability allows you to do it methodically and at a good pace. It means it's not going to get too heavy on the snowplow, and it's going to allow you to keep on going and hopefully not tire you out too much, because nobody wants to be tired after snow shoveling and go back inside and then just being tired for the rest of the day if you get snow in the morning. Nice solid connection point here. It allows you to chip anything away. Maybe you've driven over the snow already, so you can chip that away if you want to. It's a little bit shorter than the other snow plows that I have. That's not a major problem. You do have to bend down a little bit, but where the Vevor is let down a little bit is in the handle design. It is a 2-part handle, and I find this is a little bit loose for my liking. The bolt has gone through here and it is tight, but it does allow a little bit of flex back and forth. Not the end of the world, but it doesn't fill me with confidence when I am pushing the snow shovel along. It is a metal handle, and I say this is a little bit heavier for what it is than some of the other snow plows on the market that have fiberglass handles. But overall, this is a really good tool for the price. So if you want to get one of these, I'll leave it linked in the product shopping tab below so you can get one for yourself and save some time and energy the next time it snows.